First up, the Festive Hummus Wreath. Place a small upside-down bowl in the center of your board, then spread your hummus around it. Top with chopped parsley, crumbled feta, and cherry tomatoes. And I added this little cucumber ribbon bow on top to finish it off. It looks festive, elegant, and comes together in minutes. Next up, the Snowman Cheese Ball. Mix cream cheese with shredded cheese, chives, parsley, rosemary, and garlic powder, then chill until firm. Then divide the cheese into a larger and smaller ball before rolling both in grated Parmesan and stacking to form your snowman. Add a carrot nose and peppercorn eyes and mouth, then serve with veggies for dipping. It's easy, protein-packed, and almost too adorable to eat. Moving on to the pesto and cheese snowflake. Start by layering pesto and shredded mozzarella between 2 puff pastry rounds. Use a small upside-down bowl to gently mark the center, then cut an even number of slits around the pastry. Twist each strip twice to form your snowflake, then bake until golden. It's rich, flaky, and perfect for sharing. Next, the festive charcuterie tree. Starting with a saran-wrapped styrofoam cone, start securing all of your fillings one by one with toothpicks, gradually creating a gradient effect along the cone. Then finish with a cheddar star on top for a stunning and customizable centerpiece. Now for a fun holiday dessert, these pine cone brownies. Start by baking box brownies according to its instructions. I replaced half of the oil mine called for with applesauce for a lighter result. Break up the cooled brownies into a dough-like mixture, shape into cones, and dip in melted dark chocolate. Gently press on the chocolate cereal to build the pine cone shape, and finish with a dusting of powdered sugar to look like fresh snow. They're chocolatey, indulgent, and guaranteed to disappear fast. And finally, the viral candied cranberries. Combine fresh cranberries with lemon lime soda and orange juice, then cover and let that soak overnight. The next day, toss in powdered sugar and lightly bake to set. They're perfectly sweet and sour and the perfect crunchy holiday treat. And that's it! 6 festive recipes that look impressive, taste incredible, and are way easier than they seem. Which one are you making first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow Noom for more easy recipes.